In this video, we'll guide you through how to fade in or fade out in Audacity. A fade in or fade out is a great way to smoothly start or end a piece of audio. It makes the sound more gradual instead of sudden or abrupt. First, decide whether you want to apply a fade in or a fade out. Fade in. To start with a fade in, place your cursor at the beginning of the audio track. Then click, hold, and drag to select the portion where you want the audio to gradually increase in volume. For example, you might choose the first 1 to 2 seconds. Once selected, go to the top menu and click Effect, then hover over Fading and select Fade In. Now your audio will gradually increase from silence to full volume. You can play it back to hear the result. Fade out. For a fade out, go to the end of your audio track. Click, hold, and drag backward to select the portion where you want the audio to decrease in volume, for example, the last 2 seconds. Then go to Effect, hover over Fading, and select Fade Out. Now your audio will now gradually decrease until it becomes silent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.